Question 6. NITIRB, they use Sibur numerals. These are the same shape as normal Arabic numerals, but with the meaning in the opposite order. So 0 means 9, 1 means 8, and so on. But they write their numbers from left to right and use arithmetic symbols just as we do. So for example, they use 62 for the number we write as 37. How do the inhabitants of NITIRB write their answer to the sum which they write as 837 add 742? If you can see there, Britain, it's NITIRB is Britain spelt backwards, and Sibura is actually Arabic written backwards. Interesting to see, not very useful for what we're trying to work out. Let's look at the logic, because there's a lot of words there. Let's understand what that actually means. So if they write a 0, they actually mean 9, and vice versa. And obviously we don't need any more because we've got all of those numerals. If it's a 5, it's a 4, or 4, it's a 5. So we want to find out what 837 plus 742 is. And so what we're going to do is we're going to this is the sum that they would write. So we need to do a conversion. We have to convert it to British. And so we're going to take an 8 and we're going to turn it into a 1, a 3, turn it into a 6, and so what we've got is then we're going to add those together because we've converted it into British, which we can now operate like British the right way around. Then we need to turn this around so that it's written in the Sibura numerals, in which case we've got 419, which becomes 580. And this is answer B.